Well, it turns out that the SODIMM memory sticks for these old Lenovo laptops are actually very cheap. And I managed to get a couple of 2 gig sticks, there we go, they're in this packet here, off of eBay for about £7 or £8. So we're going to swap out the 1 gig stick that's in there with these two 2 gig ones, which obviously takes it from 1 gig of RAM to 4 gigs of RAM, and hopefully that should improve the performance of, for example, video playback. Now the memory sticks are located under this front panel here that's in front of the keyboard. There are 5 screws underneath. You take those off and then you can simply lift this up. Now it is attached by that ribbon cable there. This cable detaches quite easily. It's just the glide pad mechanism and the fingerprint scanner. So we're going to take this out. There we go. That's our 1 gig stick, and then we're going to replace it with two 2 gig sticks. It goes in there like that. And there is another socket just in front of it, which I don't think you can probably see from that camera angle, but there we go. There we go, job done. Put this back on, screw it on, we're ready to go. Well, it turns out that one of my cheap memory sticks from eBay, although the seller described these as tested and working, this one does not work, which is a rather shame. But like I said, I hadn't paid a few quid for it, so I'm not too bothered. I'll get another one. So I put the working 2 gig new stick in and the old 1 gig stick. So now we've got 3 gigs, which is a hell of a lot better than the 1 gig we had before, and should allow us to run MP4 video files without any problem. So I'll turn the video lights off and we'll power the thing up and we'll have a look. It does actually boot up a little bit faster, which is obviously again another benefit of having the extra RAM in there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, let's have a look. We'll have a look at the system properties. That way you can see that. There we go. Processor, system installed RAM, 3 gigs. Yay! That's what we want. Okay. Right, let's try that video, that MP4 file again. Now, when we played it the first time, it started pretty quickly. I think it was, oh, I don't know. Once we got the video actually ran, it started stuttering when this thing got round to about here. Yeah, so as I suspected, it was just the fact that it only had 1 gig of RAM and it was way too low. And you give it enough RAM, and the video playback is absolutely fine. So, and it's quite good. The screen on this is very nice. Good quality picture. I think you can tell that hopefully from the video. So, yeah, no problem with the video playback now. It's absolutely fine. So there you go, simple memory upgrade for the Lenovo R61. I will say I'll get back on eBay and get another memory stick for it, because I'd quite like to have it up to 4 gigs. But yeah. Okay, so that's really it for the epilogue story of the Lenovo R61. As I said before, big shout out and thanks to the guys from the place I used to work at for letting me have this for absolutely nothing. It's a lovely addition to my little collection. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.